Now let's take a look at the database itself. As you can see, this looks and works very much like a spreadsheet, with a scroller on the right and a scroller across the bottom. There is a tremendous amount of data here, and we have attempted to put those fields that you're more likely to use to select and filter by near the front of the spreadsheet. County number, county name, county region, and an economic code are all provided. The economic code is a code we developed to filter and group similar communities and is tied to the community's zip code. It is based upon population, whether it is a county seat, and currently whether there is a Walmart store in the community. We are open to adding another component in the future if needed or supportable. More information on the economic code and its development can be found on our web page with descriptive data here, or you can go to the economic code tab in the database, and all economic codes are listed. They can be sorted by city name alphabetically, or they can be sorted by the economic code themselves. More information: full list of structure codes, LBCS codes, common validity codes that most counties use, and county codes telling you region and county number are all available. As we said in the initial view, data is grouped by structure code and sorted by cell validity, county, and COV number. You have the ability to change any or all of this if you desire. Filtering, grouping, and sorting can be done from the menu above the data, as you see here, or it can be done in each individual field. All actions can be removed by clicking the action in the top menu and deleting it. Let's do a typical search. For example, a warehouse or prefab warehouse. I happen to know that the structure code for prefab warehouse is 2731 and warehouse structure is 2730. If you don't remember the code, you can scroll down till you find what you're looking for, or you can go to the structure code list to identify what you're looking for. Now, let's filter on structure code, and we're going to select 2730 and 2731. So we'll go to the structure code number field. We'll add a filter. We're going to select an option, and you can actually type that in, or we'll just scroll down. There's 2730 and 2731. Okay. Now our search is limited to 176 records at this point. Now let's limit our search to simply valid sales. So we'll go to the validity field, add a filter, select validity code of 0. We're down to 37 records. You may want to additionally limit your search, so let's limit to our regions of maybe Southwest and South Central. That limits our search further. And now we're looking at community size, so we may want to do a search based upon an economic code, and let's say what we're looking for is some of the more typical size communities of 200 and 300. So we'll add a filter in the economic field, and we'll select anything that's got codes 200 and 300. Subject property that we're looking for, comps FAR may be under 10,000 square feet, so we can set the total area to less than 10,000 square feet, so we click the total area field, add a filter, and in this case we'll use total area less than or equal to 10,000 square feet. And that we also know that what we're looking for is probably going to fall somewhere between $30 and $60 a square foot. So we want to limit our search a little bit further, so we'll change our price per square foot. And we'll actually add two filters here. price per square foot greater than or equal to $30. And we'll add another filter. Price per square foot less than or equal to $60. Okay. So now we have a list of 7 sales that we can research further. You can continue to filter if you want to look at grades, LBCS codes, physical conditions. If you want to refine your search in terms of dates, you have that capability to continue to filter and refine. We're going to go with this set of data. Now you want to look at that property. So what we may want to do is to look at the Google map of this property to get an idea of where it is. We can zoom in and out of that map. This happens to be in Butler County. And you can even look at the picture a little closer if they happen to have a good one. Now, if you need to print this map, you can set it to whatever scale you want. Simply right-click it, hit print, add your informational data here. If you want to put your quick ref number, your COV number, your cell information, county information, type this here, click print, and then you can print it as a PDF or on paper. In cases where counties have provided us the PRCs, you can also access the PRCs. We'll click one here. And I'll have to go back and tell you what parcel number that is. That's 3911. So we're looking for 3911. There it is. And there's the PRC. Depending on where that's stored, you can print it from here, or you can download it. In cases where PRCs may not be available, we've also attached parcel search from the county's website so that you can get information that way. We won't go into the parcel search here at this point. And we've also attached it to Orca. Now, if that county's data is public, as in the case here of Seward County, you can access it there as well. That is the basic search functions of the database. Pretty straightforward. We'll take a look here shortly at some of the more interesting details of the database.